Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to get your Uber Pro card. If you don't have an Uber driver account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar gig platforms for you to sign up and earn extra money. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. Here, you will see an option for Wallet. Tap on Wallet. On this screen, you will see an option for Payment Methods. Tap on Payment Methods. Under Linked Payment Methods, you will see an option for Uber Pro Card. Tap on Uber Pro Card. Next, tap on Apply Now. To confirm that it is your account, you need to take a live photo of yourself. To proceed, tap on Continue. Now, review your account information. Next, enter all the necessary personal information such as your social security number, phone number, date of birth, and address. After entering all the required information, tap on the tick box to confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap on Submit. To finish setting up, you also need to download the Uber Pro Card app. To continue, tap on Download the Uber Pro Card app. Once the app has been downloaded, you can now create an account. To start, tap on Sign Up. First, enter a phone number or email you wish to use. You could also sign up with Google, Apple, or Facebook. On the phone number or email address you provided, a 4-digit code will be sent. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then tap on Next. Since I already have an account, it will just ask me for my password. However, if this is your first account, you will be asked to create a password. After that, it will ask for your permission to access your information. To proceed, tap on Allow. Once signed in, tap on Continue. To secure your account, create a passcode. This should be easy to remember and not the same from the one you use with Uber Driver app. After that, you can now order your card. To proceed, tap on Continue to Card Order. Since I already have a previous account, it will just ask me to confirm my shipping address. But if you haven't added an address yet, it might ask you to add one. Just follow the on-screen instruction and prompts. Now you just need to wait for 8 to 12 business days for your card to arrive. That's how you get your Uber Pro card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.